Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Emerson's Adventures. Come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. Now, my tablescape, what I've done, I've used the vignette from Cozy Corner vignette. I've used it as my centerpiece. I'll let you all go ahead and take a look at this tablescape, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and light the candles, come back with the reveal, and tell you a little bit about my tablescape. Okay, I have the candles lit, and now I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit about this tablescape. First, we'll start with the centerpiece. The centerpiece was a vignette from Cozy Corner Vignettes. So let's go ahead and I'll tell you about it. The reindeer here was from Home Goods. The white one was from Burlington's, I think. The little houses were from Goodwill. The beautiful black box was from Ross's. The little house here with the wreath was from Target. The pumpkins were from Joann Fabric and the Dollar Tree. The candle there, I think the pumpkin spice was from Home Goods, and the tree was either from Ross's or Home Goods. Now, I'll tell you about the place setting here. The beautiful placemats, they were from Hobby Lobby, and I did purchase those at the 90% off sale. They were Robert Stanley, as you can see there. And they were 90% off, so I did purchase those for $99.06. The beautiful glasses were a Goodwill find, and the flatware was from Tuesday Morning. Now I'll break down the place setting for you. The charger plate was from Hobby Lobby. The dinner plate was from Goodwill. The salad plate was from Home Goods. And the little bowl here was a Goodwill find. And what I've done, I've placed the white napkin inside. I've tied a little bow from the Dollar Tree on the side of it. And I put the beautiful black and white ornament. It was from Hobby Lobby. So that is my place setting. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Amaston's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving their information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their channel and the playlist for Tablescape on Tuesday. I also want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Tablescape on Tuesday, because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I'm gonna let you take a look at it again. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.